If you are wondering if we have AI camera on POCO F8 Ultra, then the answer is yes, we have many different features that can be considered AI on this phone in the camera. For example, if you zoom in by using 20x, for example, or more, then at that point we have the ultra zoom, which is pretty much with AI. So the AI is used in order to improve the quality when taking a photo with this ultra zoom, because normally, of course, it is pretty hard to take a decent photo with this much of a zoom, but with AI these photos look just slightly better. It is also used to, for example, capture moons. More precisely, if we go to settings over here, we have AI recommendations, and here we can find supermoon. So we can automatically turn on supermoon when zooming beyond 20x for clear details. So if you try to capture a photo of a moon at night, then of course this is quite a good feature. We also have the ultra zoom, as I mentioned. Of course, we have the QR code scanner, which I'm not sure if can be considered an AI tool, but it is listed under AI recommendations. We have automatic night mode, which automatically detects night mode in the camera. We have extended depth of field, and we can also be notified about orientation. So these are major AI tools that we have on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.